Hello, welcome to Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to show you around this amazing Range Rover 50 in SVO Premium Palette Tuscan Blue. This car's previously had one owner. It's next due for a service in March 2022 and is a petrol. You have 22-inch diamond turned finish alloys, giving the car a real luxury appearance. A powered tailgate, which is useful if you've got your hands full. As you can see, you've got plenty of space there in the boot, and you can also put the seats down if you do need more room. Going round and towards the front, you have keyless entry and electrically deployable side steps, making it easier to get in and out of the car. A lovely leather interior, a sliding panoramic roof, which is really nice to open on a sunny day or just for some fresh air. You also have a leather headlining, giving you a luxury feel. Cooler compartment, which is handy if you go on long journeys and want to keep refreshments cold. Heated and cooled front seats, ideal for winter and summer. And these seats are also massage with different settings to choose from, which is a real luxury to have. If I put the car into reverse, you'll see you've got a rear view camera, along with a 360-degree surround camera, making parking and reversing so much easier. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with timed climate, so you can set the temperature in the car for when you get in. You also can turn off your deployable side steps if you don't want them on. And you have ambient lighting with many different colours to choose from, which looks effective in the dark. And you can also adjust the brightness. Controls on your wheel, so you've got a speed limiter, lane departure warning and cruise control, along with blind spot monitor, and they're all really helpful for long journeys or driving along the motorway. A heated steering wheel, definitely a must for a cold winter morning. Memory seats throughout the car, which is handy if there's several people driving it, and a Meridian sound system for better quality. This car's done 13,555 miles, and you also have head-up display, enabling you to keep your eyes on the road, and you can adjust the brightness, the positioning, or the content that you would like to see in front of you. That all depends on your own preference. Stepping back outside the car, you have soft door close, and that was a stunning Range Rover 50. If you're interested in this car, please call 01785 899 446. Thank you.